All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, sometimes I like to do what I call kind of talking heads, just kind of talk through things. And I feel like right now, you know, where the market is and where people's emotions are, where people's heads are, I feel like it's a really important time to kind of give you guys a little boost and give you guys a story, but also some insights into how fast things can change and what we could be doing right now, because the market's kind of in a weird spot. You know, it's kind of in no man's land, right? We don't really know which direction we're going. We're kind of caught between a rock and a hard place. You know, a lot of news and chatter and things have been said about the month of September. And historically, it's been a bad month, you know, for the stock market. Historically, it's been a bad month for crypto, for Bitcoin. But it's followed by some great months for the stock market, Bitcoin, and crypto. October and November, for Bitcoin in particular, two of the best 3 months. The only other month there sandwiched in between October and November, with November being the best, is April. And I'll just give you guys this story, because back in 2020, late 2020, I was just learning as much as I could. And I knew one thing. I was going to see this whole crypto thing through. I didn't know exactly what it was. I was learning every day, and I'm still learning every single day. But then 2021 happened. The initial pop, you know, in the first bit of the year, and then we went in this dog days of summer. Let me tell you this. If I would have left during those dog days of summer and didn't experience what happened with Shiba Inu and all of crypto in late 2021, I wouldn't be here talking to you right now. I would have already left. And this is a really important point to make right now, because patience is a virtue, especially with crypto in these markets, because things can change in a hurry, on a dime. And we have a lot of things working in our favor right now, albeit short term. We've got a lot of uncertainty with the election coming up, what the feds are going to do with interest rates. But here's what we do know. Once we get into later this year in Q4, we're going to have more certainty. We're going to know what the feds are doing with interest rates. We're going to know who the next president is. We already have a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. We know that altcoins haven't moved yet against Bitcoin. We've been looking at the altcoin chart for a while now, and it's still Bitcoin season. We know that retail hasn't come back into crypto. So it's really important that you parse these things out and be able to think clearly during these times of turmoil, these times of negativity, and a lot of people will try to fudge you out of the markets. These big institutions, they want your positions. They want access to cheap assets that they know are going to do well over time, right? And one of the things I learned back in 2021 is, you know, I was pretty successful coming out of the last bull cycle, but not nearly as successful as I could have been because I didn't have a plan in place. Now, this go around much different. Every single asset I own that I'm going to own throughout this cycle, I have a strategic plan in place. When I'm going to take profits, what I'm going to do with those profits, how I'm going to rotate that capital around. So don't listen to a lot of the outside noise. Build your thesis based on your experience, based on your conviction, based on where you think this market's going to go, which sectors are going to do well. Is it AI? Is it RWA? Is it DPIN? I think all three of these narratives, in my personal opinion, are bullish. Having a good, strong position in 70% of the market, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, is one of my strategies as well, because it keeps me in the game. Meme coins are great. I love chasing new meme coins, but oftentimes you're going to get wrecked. Let's just call a spade a spade. You're not going to win every meme coin trade, but when you win one, win big. It'll wipe out the other 9 losses if you do it 10 times. Thinking through this strategy, having a strategy in the first place, is step number 1 to having success in crypto. It's the only way it's done. You can't just go into this thinking, I'm just going to throw a bunch of darts because so-and-so said so, and I'm going to be rich in crypto. If you want to be an active investor and you want to change your life forever, you've got to do what 99% of people aren't willing to do, period. And that is work when others are sleeping. That is build your thesis, build your strategy out, build your plan, do things to make extra money, make sacrifices. All of this is crucial in our success as crypto investors. But here's what I do know. I'm not going anywhere because I believe in this blockchain future. I believe in a future where AI, robotics, and blockchain are merging right now. It's happening right in front of our eyes. Even though a lot of people will tell you otherwise, I'm blocking those people out. I've already made my decision, and I'm still collecting information, and who knows, maybe new information can change or sway my opinion over time. But I'm not just listening to what people say and reacting. I'm taking that information in, building it into my own thesis. So you have to have your own plan. So let me know your plan down below in the comment section. Just a quick little update here, guys. Hopefully this sparks some bullishness, but also just kind of resets your mindset a little bit here as we enter September and enter Q4. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the support here on the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.